Today in the Senvi Perez attempt to murder case, I am happy to announce and inform to everybody that the accused, both the accused Ayub Syed and Anil Kumar, their bail applications have been rejected by the Honorable Sessions Court. Now, if we recollect that these offences were under grave sections of 307, 506, which is criminal intimidation. So also it is an open secret that some of these accused were already into some gundagiri and have had antecedents. So a grave offense, a grave case, and for that reason at this point we wanted to intervene in the matter on behalf of the victim. Now, intervention does not usually take place. What you usually see in the courtroom is the PP on behalf of the state of Goa, and then you'll have the accused's defense lawyer. But here we stepped in because we wanted to ensure that the proceedings take place in a proper and just manner, and that the victim's word is not kept out of the judge's ears. So we did exactly that. It is often seen that when this does not happen, many times accused persons, whether innocent or not, they get bail at this early stage, and then later on the things take as much time as possible, and then we see a frustration of justice in some instances. So this had to be prevented at all cost here in this case, because I think everybody will recollect that the Navelkars, because the victim is from Naveli, the Navelkars also had expressed great anguish at the instance, because something very dangerous has taken place with our own Goan brothers, and this can come for any of us anytime. Today it is him, tomorrow it is anybody else. So the fabric of our Goan society was being affected in this case, and there was a lot of anxiety and fear in the minds of the people. That is something that I don't want, and nobody wants Goa to undergo, and that is something that we need to change also about Goa. The crime scene in Goa has increased manyfold. We used to never see these kind of things earlier, at least I'm told by our elders. And so there had to be a change effected, and we have taken this step. Today we are very happy, even the victim's family are at ease, because they know that no gunda is going to come to their house at night to trouble them. And even the other people, they know that okay, these people are in, which means that the trouble for people outside is less. Such antisocial elements have to be in, they have to be behind bars. Otherwise we reach a position in society where we are not safe. Our own youth, our own elders, our parents are not safe. Our children are not safe. So that's why even my appeal it is to everybody that we have to be united on these points, and we have to work towards bringing crime, nipping it in a bud and bringing it to a halt entirely in our state of Goa. At least we can start from South Goa, and we have to be fearless in this our endeavor. And the judiciary also in this matter has taken a strict view after having perused the CCTV and all. The evidence ultimately is undeniable and compelling. So we are thankful also that a strict view was taken in the matter. We were worried because these accused, we know, or at least it is an open secret, that they enjoy some political clout. And that being the case, there was fear that the prosecution might be influenced, or in some manner there might be a compromise. But that has been prevented by our very intervention, or at least we believe that by our intervention it is prevented. So these kinds of steps we have to continue taking.